And I swear our Mini just keeps getting bigger every time we do it. That's all right. That's all right.
Good morning, everybody. I am Nick the Pond King, and this is our channel, Nick the Pond King on YouTube, where we're just trying to show you that water features are fun. Today, it starts right here in Eagan, Minnesota. I'm really excited. It's a one-day project for us. It's our mini pondless waterfall. I'm really excited. We've got a blank slate, a nice canvas to work with. I love my job. Let's get to work. Update time for you guys. So while the guys are on lunch, I'm gonna do what I can to do some of the harder stuff in the sun and kind of get some of the stuff that's really hot, which is working with the liner. When the sun starts to hit it, I'm gonna try and do that while they're on lunch and try and get it to a point when they get back. We're just pouring in gravel and start the creative stuff. So I was able to get some work done while the guys were on lunch, and I'm happy with the progress I was making. Got the basin together, put that in. I got 2 loads of gravel here in the wheelbarrow. Now I'm gonna hook up the check valve assembly down in there, so got the pump angled right. I'm just gonna glue it in, and then I'll rock in the rest so that plumbing is already taken care of. Exciting, things are going well.
Surprise! It's the wizard. Oh man, we caught Mark mid cramp. I don't know if I want to show this.
Kneecap the corner of the rock.
Oh, kneecap?
Oh, that's better than the cramp though.
Yeah,
it is.
What did it hurt? Did it hurt right away when you did it?
I felt it when I hit it.
And then it still hurts now.
When I hit it, I felt it.
And now it hurts still.
It's going away. Someone grab my body armor, please.
You having trouble walking there?
I'm able to get up and get it. It's right there, friend.
Just careful where you point the camera.
All right, we got a tag body armor in this shot.
Put the body armor on it.
And then we'll snap to the part where you're like doing jumping jacks. So Seth and I stopped over to help the guys wrap up the Mini, hopefully in one day. And I swear our Mini just keeps getting bigger every time we do it. That's all right. That's all right. We want to make them more substantial. We like the basin that we're doing with a top off line. With the mini aqua basin we used to use, you couldn't really get a top off line in there, and it was really small, and these are just a bit more substantial. So we are going to make our Mini just slightly more robust going forward. It will up the price a little bit, but it'll be well worth it. We are just putting in the finishing touches, so we'll show you the running water shortly.
Well,
but yeah,
complete shortly. I'll be quiet. Justin's talking to me.
No, that's all right. I know how much you like to talk to the camera. Just...
Mark comes in, what? Check this out. Sponsored by Pond King Water Gardens. Living works of art, 1 yard at a time.